NPP amayoko no etitine ni yewura Jake Otanka Obetsebi Lamptey woni Adom kase nkoma twetwen mu eno de to yenim ya wo kyerese wonyina ba bia enka da se wono ne support nyina no wode kɔ de manana adodankwa ekufu ado wo se wono ni wonim ha ne se wono de nipa party no ebeto aba de ama no eno nso so mu ne wabo nipa kro twidom wa ye adwumaden se ba ya nipa kro ebetimi edi nkonim e wa aba wo mu beto ne mu na sesa bre ya wo mu bepe flag bearer bia yi no na wo begina ba bi akas wono de na adodankwa ekufu ado anu de support Emma no wupe forget ne hwa na support ne tare de wo so no Jake Otanka Obetsebi Lamptey won kan bi sada onsem bi kra nam so mani padodo na e ka se enya de a Jake omanfo no eto abama no se chairman bi mu a obetimi aka amayoko no abomo no so wono de wogina ne ba bia wo ye kwantam kro ya kyeso no wonta wo bia achi na de amayoko ne pe no eno nko a eno obe.
I have never declared my support for one candidate. Okay, what I have done is declare my support for the candidate that will be chosen by the party and to make sure that I move heaven and earth to make that candidate win the general elections. I believe that is a job of the national chairman, is to whip up the party and get the party moving in the way that will make sure that our candidate becomes the president.
Jake Otanka Obetsebi Lamptey kwaswade to Adom kase nim ya wo kyerese nipa kro na party no ebeyi no so medi omanim kan ne de wonim pa wonim sa nipa kro no ono ankasa kra no wo choice e wo nipa bo se yi no emu na emum no wontimi enhye party ni ma chenchenaache se sa nipa na wono na koma ehye ni mu no eno ene omunyi no Adom kase busa ne se so nipa no eye na nado ana wo se eno de eyo ni nyame entamasem.
I have a choice for who I think is the best candidate because you have to have. You are a thinking human being. I'm a very senior politician. If I go in there and say that I don't have any idea of who I think is the best candidate for the MPP at this time, then I would either be a liar or I would be incompetent. I am neither a liar nor am I incompetent. So I will work for the NPP's candidate. I know who I believe the NPP will choose as its candidate, and I'm very prepared to make sure that I work very hard to put that person into the Jubilee House.